Alright, so it's 11:12 or 11:13 a.m. in the morning time. So I got my lighter, Zippos, and the white vinegar. And I'm saturated for overnight. The housings, well, not the housings are in there. Doink. The innards are here. This is a cam. On this one too. This one's a whole lot simpler because it's a little friction bar. This one, I take my pliers and just bite down on them. Seriously. It was hard. And I'm really loving this like goldfish. I know it ain't goldfish, but shing. This little chrome one. They don't have the same sound. This one. Shing. So yeah, this actually does work. I don't have the foot in there. This ain't actually bad. This looks like it's wet. Weird. Well, that's an update. Oh, peace. Bye.